Nobody wait there. Nobody wait there. Where we go message?
No. Can't even contact them and all that. I don't even have their contact. I don't even know that this place is as big as this. Ah. This is a community. Oh my God. Here we go. Mba now. This is complete community. This is the entire Fulani community in this place. Yeah. Wow. This. How come we don't have the knowledge of this? Oh my God. Can you imagine the entire Fulani community? Oh my God. How do they ensure their security? Nimofiani. Hi, Kati. How are you?